Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy and I am so excited today. A package has arrived today that I have been waiting for forever, and clearly as I'm dressed in Lolita, it must be Lolita related. So we're gonna do an unboxing and a try on, which is why we're out here at the backdrop. And I am so stoked. I pre-ordered this item like a bajillion years ago. I had to wait for it to be made, and then they sent it out and I had to wait forever for that because the mail's been so messed up. But it's finally here. It's in my grasp and I couldn't be more excited. I do not want to have to wait anymore. So let's just get into the unboxing. Once again, this unboxing is kind of more like an unbagging, but we're making it work. I'm not struggling to open. That's exciting. Oh my goodness. Things look so cute in here. Okay, I'm so stoked. I can't get across how excited I am. We got stuff. All right, so we got a bunch of things to go through here. This one I do not recognize. So we're gonna open it first. I still don't recognize it. One thing about Lolita is it comes in like a lot of packaging, like a lot, which is not always the best for the environment. Oh, okay. I know what these are. I recognize them now. These are cute little just anklet socks to go on top of tights, or, you know, not at all, just by themselves when it's the summer. I desperately needed a pair, so I'm really excited. I forgot I added these on. That's how long it's been since I placed this order. So just a little bit closer so you can actually see, we got the ruffly ankle bit, which is some lace, just, you know, some pretty generic patterns on there, a little floral, nothing exciting. And then the socks, which are kind of like, not a fishnet, but that type of material with the little holies in it. And I think it's supposed to be like flower patterns, okay. And then it's matching pair. So that's really exciting. I forgot I added these in, like I said, and I needed some just cute little ankly socks, and I also just need more white socks in general. So this is very exciting. Yay! Okay, so with the ankly socks done, we're gonna do the one more thing that I know is not exactly related to the whole outfit, is a way to describe it. Basically, it's one set and they all go with each other, but this was added separately as well as with the socks. So we'll do these. More socks. I actually did think these were tights, but that's fine. I do not mind knee socks. That's generally what I wear when I'm wearing white. I actually really only have knee socks in white except for the tights that have stars on them, but that's fine. These are super tall, obviously, much taller than our last socks. And it's gonna be hard with like a wrist cuff on, but I'm gonna do this to show it. It's a like a butterfly pattern. It's got little petals falling, and then if I go a little bit further, you can see one of the little butterflies. Yeah, look, there's like a little butterfly right there. You can see it kind of stretching out. So it's just really cute, very basic. I'm hoping will match with a bunch of stuff that I have. So we'll see how that goes. Even though they're not tights like I thought, I am very excited about these. I do enjoy this type of sock, so I'm very happy. It's really gonna help me expand and not have to wear those crisscross socks all the time. Because as much as I love them, you'll notice they're in a lot of outfits because they're like my only just white socks. The secret's out. So now we have more. Okay, I'm so excited. So usually I like to build up to the best item, but since it's a set, I feel like I have to start with the big dress for the rest of everything to make sense, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. How many times can I say excited in this video? You know, we're gonna push the limits. Oh my God. She's a little crinkly because she's been in a package, so be gentle to her, but oh my God, this is a fairy feeling Lolita dress, and I could not be more excited about this. Oh man, okay, where to begin? Where to begin? For one, it's a lot heavier than I expected. Not in like a bad way, but there is some heft to this dress. It's by a brand. It's by a brand that I'm gonna get the name of. Hold up. Okay, we got it. It is Long Ears, Short Ears, it's called. And this is the Hanako Run Run JSK. I bought it off of Lolita wardrobe simply because that's where I saw it advertised to me. And then I realized what their website was and that I could buy it there after, so I probably will do it direct next time. It is supposed to be a fairy. Oh my god, okay. So there is a shorter version of this JSK. I did buy the longer one, you know, to protect the modesty and because I'm already pretty tall for a lot of Lolita dresses, so I was not gonna be tempting fate. Let's break this down together. Okay, so we got these gold straps, which it did tell me it was more of a gold color than white on like the listing. It warns you of that, which I was like, no way that's gold. Is gold. They were not lying to me. And we come down to the bodice, which is just shimmery and sparkly. We got lace and tulle everywhere. We got this big, cute bow with a flower with beading in the center. And it is detachable, so you can take that off. That's exciting. We got corsetting down the front in lace with this overlayer on top of it, which I really like the look of. It is giving it an extra layer, but it's the fabric itself underneath that is sparkly, so it's not like gonna come off this tulle. We come down to the waist where we have these big, lovely flowers. These are all detachable if you do want to take them off, if you're not a big fan of the flower look. We have got this overlayer that is scalloped with bows at each meeting point, which is so cute, and it is again sparkly itself. Then we have got layers of, is that gossamer? I don't know, but it's cute, it's see-through, and that's supposed to be like little petals, and that goes all the way around. And if you thought we were done, we're not. Under that, oh my god, this is so heavy. We have got the rainbow sparkly skirt. There is sparkles everywhere, and it is in multiple pieces here, and it's layered. There's so much happening. And then under that, we have this more gossamer fabric, if that's what it's called, but with this cool leafy pattern, which is lovely. And then there's the gold. There's the gold fabric from up in the bodice. And then we have our underskirts. That's a lot of layers. Ogres have layers. The back has some partial shirring with a corseted ribbon on top of it. So there is a little bit of adjustment you can get here. That's very nice. And I think this ribbon is so cute. I feel like this would end up being very delicate though, which is my one thing about it in a high stress area. But we'll see. I don't know that for sure yet. And then it does have waist ties, and they are the same gold as the underdress fabric, not pattern, fabric. And it's just held on some very basic, like pearly gold buttons. Oh my god, there is so much to this dress. I love it. I love it. It is so extra. I just want to go out. I want to be a fairy. I want to wear this to tea parties and be a beautiful fairy princess. Oh, this is like all tied up. Why is this tied up? Okay, weird. Some of the like underskirt was tied. I don't know why. I'm gonna warn everybody now when I do try this on, I'm not gonna be like ironing this whole thing. I don't have the effort level to do that right now, so she's gonna look a little wrinkly. But obviously before wearing this to like a true event, I would iron and steam her out. We have the matching accessories to go with this set to do before we do a try on. So let's take a look at those. Okay, we're gonna start with this package. See? So much packaging. Which one is this one? Ooh, is this like the wrist armband thing? Oh, okay. I think this is a choker. Or is it a headband? I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out in a bit. For now, we have the same blue ribbon that is in the corsetting on the back of the dress for the tie around for wherever this goes. Is it for the arm? No, that's way too long to be for the arm. It has to be the head or the neck. Okay, whatever. The lace has angel wings in it. That is so cute with little hearts in the middle of each scallop. And then we have got a big, lovely flower to match the flowers and the colors that are on the dress with little bits sticking out here and there. I feel like that would get irritating if it's a neck thing. And I feel like this is too long if it's a neck thing. It must go in the hair. Or is it a belt? I'll take a look at the picture again and we're gonna figure that out. But whatever it is, it's very cute. I got a tiny little bow on the side and I'm excited to figure out where it goes so I can wear it. That's gonna be cool. Maybe I'll figure out what that one is by process of elimination as I go through everything else. We have gloves, my first pair of Lolita gloves. I'm very excited about this. The lace at the top is very stiff, and I'm worried might be a little scratchy on my wrist or whatever, wherever that sits. But this lace for the glove is quite soft, so that's important, that's nice. It's got dots all over the place with big bows, which matches the fact that there's bows all over the dress. And these are really cute. I am excited to have a pair of gloves. I've been meaning to order Lolita gloves for a while, and I just haven't. I mean, it took me forever to get wrist cuffs, so is anybody surprised? Okay, this has to be the like armband thing. Okay, that is actually super wrong. Upon looking at the listing closer when I was editing, I found that these are in fact not the armband thing. I did not order the armband thing. These are two kind of wrist cuff type things. They basically are supposed to sit on the top of the glove right under that big poof of lace to give it a bit of extra decoration and make it match the dress a little bit better. So that's why if at any point you see them really high up my arm, they look uncomfortable and tight. That's not where they're supposed to be. I just didn't pay close enough attention to what I put in my cart, and it had been a long time. So yes, these are for on top of the gloves. If at any point you see them anywhere else, it's super wrong, and I know that now. I thought this was going to be the last thing, but I picked it up and there's a package sitting underneath it, so that's cool. Oh, right, okay. This is the big butt bow that goes on the back of the dress that if you wanted, you had to order separately. And it is such a long tail. Oh my God, there's little butterflies at the end of the gossamer, ? And we've got this really cute, like lace layer, and it's got the butterfly or the winged and heart lace once again, as well as like this intricate detailing in the middle. And it goes up to more rainbow colored fabric sticking out of the bow, as well as several layers of lace and sparkly fabric for the bow itself. It has 3 pins, which is awesome. One to keep it like in the center, and these two, one to help it secure, but also will keep the bow in a nice shape so it's not just gonna flop on your butt. I appreciate that a lot. We have another flower in the center, which is not detachable. She lives there, that is her life. And then that's how all like the rainbow fabric and stuff is attached at the back. Oh my, there is so much color in this outfit. I am so excited. I love this bow. I mean, I knew it was like a big butt bow. I don't think I realized exactly how big, and it's gonna be so good. It's a pain that you have to pay for it separately, but I do like that it is very removable, so you can like choose the level of drama your outfit has for that day. Sometimes you don't want a big butt bow. Sometimes you do want a big butt bow, and you have that power. Okay, this is actually the last package. We have, I guess, a veil? Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay. It's got a big alligator clip on the back. The one thing about this is it is just slipped in there. It's not glued or anything, which makes me a little wary, but it seems to be holding in there fine. We got lots more soft, sparkly fabric. This is very, very soft to the touch, not going to be irritating. The pink tulle is not as soft, but in theory, if that's up in your head, you're not going to feel it anyway. This is what's going to be on your neck. If this is a veil, I'm going to check. And then we got another big flower with beading and stuff that matches what's on the front of the dress. So this is super cute. I'm pretty sure it's a veil, ? But none of these items have really narrowed down what that band thing was. So I'm gonna go look up the order and tell you for sure what this and that other one are so we can be on the same page. Okay, I have the confirmations. This is a choker. It's just very long so you can tie a bow, I guess. I feel like this is gonna get irritating real quick, but we'll see when I put it on. This, they do have in the model's hair. It's not necessarily a veil. They actually have it most times sitting on top of like a flower crown that is on top of a veil, which I think is probably what I thought I was ordering, but that's fine. We can definitely still make this work. I can make it work as a mini veil. I don't care. I'll do whatever I want. So that's it. That's my whole like fairy dress JSK set thing. I am so happy. It's cute. It's, it's just great. So I promised to try on. Give me a hot minute here. I'm gonna get all this on, maybe change my blouse to something that I think will match a little better, and I'll be right back. Oh my God, this is so cute. I have never felt so dainty in my freaking life, just with these gloves alone. These dainty little gloves, oh my God, okay. This is super comfy. I did loosen the straps so they're on the second buttonhole, but I didn't have to undo the shirring not undo the shirring, but undo the corsetting around the shirring. So that's fine, and it's sitting quite nice. I could in fact probably tighten it a little bit, but I think it's okay like this so I can have space to breathe. It is another zipper that I cannot do on my own. Great, thank you so much for these stupid invisible zippers, but fine. There are no pockets, I can now report. I'm sorry. There's just too many tool layers. There's no way to get pockets into this. I wish it was there, but it's not. We got the choker. It's a little irritating. I'm gonna be honest with you. It definitely, like the stuff that sticks up feels a little itchy, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think if I was going out and I was having tea and chatting and I was distracted, it would not bother me as much. But as I'm just standing here talking, it's kind of like, ooh, I went to itch, but it's all right. We got the big giant bow. It's cute. I like it. I definitely do still wish it had been part of the whole flower crown thing that I thought it was, but that's fine. Honestly, that's my error. I make lots of errors, so no one's surprised really that I messed this up too. And oh my God, it's just so cute. I've got on, you're gonna get a full body shot, don't worry, but I've got on my regular petticoat right now. I think this would be so cute with my new big giant Bogita one, like really making it like stick out to the side. Honestly, might even layer 2 petticoats. Who knows? We could get crazy. Gonna get you some sweet, sweet body shots now. Hope you enjoy. Everybody, that is it. I hope you had a great time today because I had a great time unboxing this. I'm so excited that it's finally here. I love this dress from the first second I saw it, and I love it now that it's here and on. I am so happy. This brand does some really quality work. There's so many layers and so much going on here. I would absolutely buy from them again. Remember, if you do want to see photos of my Lolita outfits, the link to my Lolita Instagram is down below. It is the Neverland Princess, so you can check that out. There will absolutely be photos of this when the time comes to take them, so look out for that. And otherwise, I will see you all in the next one. Bye!